So today it's time for a quick monkey bath. I want to do a super quick, super safe wash. I don't want any swirl marks or anything that could affect the paint. So I'm going to be using a bit of muck off, an agitating brush, and rather than microfiber to wash and dry, I'm going to use the Metrovac blaster. For the first stage, you're going to want to blast any debris or dust off using the pressure washer. You don't want to be too close to the bike under high pressure. Keep the nozzle about 4 or 5 feet away so you're minimising any damage to the paintwork. Make sure you give the bike a thorough rinse over in all the nooks and crannies that you can get to. After the rinse, I'm going to apply the muck off. I'm going to use this all over the bike. Now, given it's not very dirty, it's only a quick maintenance wash. If it was bogging dirty, I'd probably do this 2 or 3 times, or perhaps even use some snow foam. Make sure you give the bike a good liberal coat, making sure you're not missing any spots, and then give it a couple of minutes just to settle. Now the muck off's been applied, it's time to use a super soft detailing brush. On smaller bikes, and certainly like the Monkey and the Grom, it's really difficult to use a microfiber mitt or cloth to get into all the points. I find that by using this brush you can get into every area, gets rid of all the grease and debris that's been left on the bike. Spend plenty of time systematically going around the bike. Make sure you get into all the spots and agitate it as quickly as possible. Thankfully I've got a pretty good day for it today. It's not too sunny. If the sun's out, you might want to be doing this panel by panel. Once you've finished cleaning using the detailing brush, give it a thorough rinse down. Just make sure you get into all the spots where there's any muck off residue left, otherwise this will cause spotting when you dry it. To dry the bike, I'm going to be using the Metrovac blaster. This is a brilliant bit of kit. I use it on the car all the time. Uses forced air to get rid of all the water from all the areas of the bike. You know what it's like using microfiber. You can end up drying it for an hour only to find there's loads of water spots left on the bike because you can't get into all those areas. Another benefit of using forced air is the safety aspect. All it takes with a bit of microfiber is to get some dirt and debris in there, and you can end up swirling that all into your paintwork and your clear coat. Now the bike's been completed, here's a look at the finish.